Hi everyone and welcome to Spacebring. Imagine every shared space running effortlessly and being easy to access. That's what we're here to talk about today. Thank you for joining us to explore how we've made that vision a reality in 2024. If you've been with us from the beginning, you might remember we started as end cards. This year, we rebranded to Spacebring, a name that better reflects our goal to make shared spaces more accessible through technology. Today, I'm excited to share what we've accomplished together in 2024, highlight the newest features that are making your business management easier, and give you a glimpse into the community you're helping us build. Let's kick things off with some numbers that highlight our growth, engagement, and innovation this year. These stats really show the amazing momentum we've built together in 2024. A staggering 96 years, 9 months, and 19 days. That's the total duration of all room bookings made on Spacebring in 2024. This incredible milestone highlights the immense trust your users placed in your business, with Spacebring facilitating their productivity, collaboration, and success every single day. That's nearly a century of booked working time. Imagine all the ideas, projects, and connections made in that span. Up by 41% from last year, more bookings mean more members enjoying your spaces than ever before. As your billing operations scale, we keep streamlining the process with convenient self-service payments in your app, automated invoicing, and plan sign-up. Your communities are growing, and it's an honor to support you as you welcome new members, collaborate, and connect. This sensational growth reflects our collective achievements, yours and ours. Thank you for your trust and partnership. In 2024, we've invested heavily in building solutions that streamline operations, make space booking more intuitive, and create more value for you and your members. Let's walk through the key product innovations of 2024. Manage private offices with ease, showcase availability, assign resources, and track occupancy like never before. Handle parking spots just like any other resource, bookable, trackable, and easy to manage. Offer flexible hourly booking of desks and parking spots to meet every member's unique schedule. Visualize resources for booking and view current and future occupancy in analytics on intuitive floor plans. Resource assignments, occupancy timelines, and occupancy rates give you deeper insights into how your spaces are being used. Reward loyal customers, run promotions, and offer discounts easily with coupons and promo codes. Sell and manage day passes seamlessly, perfect for dropping guests and freelancers testing the waters. Apply tiered pricing to encourage longer bookings and charge fixed setup fees. Streamline on-site operations with dedicated apps that simplify visitor check-in and room availability. Automate customer journey and administrative processes with our new integrations with EasyBlue, Plater by Mono, Brivo, Tapkey, and improved integrations with Xero and QuickBooks Online. And so much more. We're constantly innovating, with new and improved features rolling out almost every week. Stay updated by visiting the release notes page on our website for the latest updates and enhancements. Spacebring is already leading in the industry, with nearly 100% uptime and integrations that rarely break. Despite this, our engineers spent the year re-engineering Spacebring to be even more stable and resilient. We are thrilled to announce the migration of nearly all critical platform components to a microservice architecture, ensuring independent operation of constituent parts and better isolation of any potential issues. A heartfelt thank you, Spacebringers from the product team, led by Ross, for their dedication and ingenuity in delivering an exceptional suite of features this year. Now, let's explore how you, our customers, are leveraging these features to streamline operations, foster vibrant communities, and boost revenue. Spacebring empowers hundreds of shared spaces across 55 plus countries, enabling them to optimize processes and deliver outstanding customer experiences. We've recorded interviews with some of you who achieved tremendous success with Spacebring. Let's hear it directly from you.
The most important part of our space is the people. I mean, both our member and our team. To be honest, it feels like Spacebring is a member of our team that assists client managers, marketing managers. It covers all the stages of our work, from the onboarding process to informing our members about coworking use, events, benefit, and more.
What we focused on is the solution that, in the first place, focus on the customer. Obviously, in many cases, we are the one who administrates that, organizing the data, checking what's happening inside the software. But in the first place, the client is the one who should feel comfortable, who should feel like this is an easy solution where I can find everything. So this focus on a human who is on the, let's say, different side of the screen. That was the main reason why we chose Spacebring as the provider of that service.
It makes my life easier by automating a lot of the renewals on the invoices, allowing our members to subscribe to plans, to book availability of meeting rooms in terms of real-time availability, whether that be at midnight or whether that be 3 weeks in advance. It gives our members their autonomy to make their own bookings and reduces our reliance on phone calls and emails and backwards and forwards communication. It's just makes their life easier and reduces our admin time.
When you have this solution, you have to explain someone how it's working. And this is, you don't have to explain something. You go in the app, you pay by credit card, and then you have access. And you click on the button, that's all. So this is, I think, the most unique point in the software and makes us the life very easy.
What an amazing feedback. We're deeply grateful for your trust and immensely proud of your remarkable achievements you've accomplished with Spacebring. A heartfelt thank you to our incredible community for spreading the word about these successes across platforms like YouTube, G2, Reddit, social media, and beyond, inspiring more shared spaces to discover the transformative potential of Spacebring. With the launch of our generous partner referral program this year, offering 20% commission on successful referrals, sharing your Spacebring experience with your network has become a win-win for everyone involved. At Spacebring, we're not just offering software. We're committed to expanding access to shared spaces by empowering your businesses to thrive, learn, and grow. This year, we've enhanced our educational resources, including tutorials, webinars with industry leaders, the online Spacebring Academy, the Coworking Visionaries podcast, the Coworking Smarts blog and newsletter, and a robust YouTube channel filled with best practices and how-to guides. To give you a glimpse, here is a short video we recently produced to showcase Spacebring's express booking workflow.
Meet Sarah. She's in a rush, racing against the clock for a crucial online meeting. Every second counts, but she knows finding a place to connect is crucial. Oh, here it is, a QR code linked to the Spacebring app. With Spacebring, Sarah can book a room in seconds, even if she's never used the app before. In just a few taps, she reserves a meeting room and makes payment all within moments. What a relief! Sarah is on time for the meeting. Elevate your co-working space. Make bookings simple with Spacebring. And not only bookings.
This is just one example of how we're helping you make the most out of our platform. Be sure to explore our YouTube channel and website for more how-to guides and insider tips. Remember, your success is our success, and we are here to support you every step of the way. A heartfelt thank you to Spacebring's outstanding customer success team, led by Anastasia, for their unwavering dedication to ensuring your Spacebring success, and to our talented marketers for crafting engaging, creative, and genuinely helpful content that inspires and informs. As 2024 comes to a close, we want to thank you for your constant feedback and support. Your input guides us, ensuring each new solution, improvement, and integration is crafted to meet your evolving business needs. We're here already planning some exciting releases for 2025. Think even more automation, deeper integrations with popular tools, equipment booking, a dedicated digital signage solution, contract management, a dedicated Spacebring app for admins, enhanced data insights to drive your business forward, and so much more. We can't wait to show you what's in store. Wishing you all happy holidays, and here's to another amazing year of growth, community, and success. Thanks for joining us today.